Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Today's video is another cleaning video for you guys. These are 3 things in my house I always forget to clean. So if you enjoy cleaning content, then please subscribe to my channel and let's get into today's video. So the first thing then that I'm going to be cleaning is my Hoover, and I actually have a huge confession to make to you guys. I have never cleaned my Hoover and I have no idea why. It has just never once crossed my mind that I needed to clean my Hoover. And as you can see, it is disgusting. It looks awful. It smells awful as well. So it is really in need of a massive deep clean. And I have no idea what is in the bottom of this Hoover. I'm guessing it is just a build-up of dust and stuff that I guess it hoovers up off the floor. So I'm just going to take a palette knife and get rid of all that gunk that is at the bottom of the Hoover, and then I'm going to spend a good half an hour deep cleaning this Hoover. In this clip, as you can see, I had a little helper. George came to visit me and kept wanting to be in the video. So there he is, just having his 5 minutes of fame. My lovely Henry is now sparkling clean. Look at the difference to that Hoover. It looks so much better. I am so glad I cleaned it, and it smells amazing now as well. So the next thing then that I'm going to be cleaning, and something that I always forget to clean, is my kitchen cutlery drawer. So I'm just going to start off by removing all the cutlery, going through it all, seeing what I need in there, seeing what I don't, because there is just so much tat in there, and then just giving it a really good deep clean. that is now my kitchen drawer all clean. It looks so much better and so much more organised. So moving on then to the last thing I always forget to clean, and that is picture frames. So much dust collects on picture frames, so I'm just going to take a cloth duster and give them all a really good wipe. So quite a bit of dust actually came off those picture frames, so I definitely need to do all of these things a lot more often. So that is the end of today's video. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thanks, bye!